In this video, I'll give a quick recap about the third minigame of my latest release, Skinwalker Ranch. I'm sure you're familiar with the concept of Hanoi Tower, where you have 3 columns and 5 different size blocks. The largest on the bottom and the smallest on the top. The point of that game is to reconstruct the same order in another column. So let's see. Hey guys, it's me again, Adrian, fresh as always. I know I'm lost nowadays, I'll have a few words about this at the end, but now for the game. All the assets you've seen so far are legal products of the orkslayergamedev Incorporation. Any individual attempting to steal these pieces might be the subject of public beheading. So, I created a cute background. I didn't have a clear concept first, so I made a path for the alien to run on. I was like, if it runs away, you lose. Like a time challenge. Then I drew some cute lumbers with different sizes. My first attempt with this game was to use the mouse. Well, it turned into a complete disaster. I'm the living example of rushing into coding without thinking. Always have a plan. I still don't know why, but it didn't bug me enough to find out what was the problem. Controlling such a game with keyboard makes more sense, so I reverted back these changes to one of my older commits. After some quality changes, I started over this game now with a plan. So what's this plan? Maybe the easiest implementation for such game logic is to have 3 different groups. These groups contain the lumber objects. Each lumber has a size attribute, 1 for the smallest and 5 for the greatest. As you control the cursor, you have the ability to remove the smallest one from any of the 3 groups. You can only move it to the groups where the smallest object size is greater than the one you currently hold. And that's it basically. See how easy? As a next step, I created a cute running alien animation and the landed saucer. Each move contributes to the distance the alien traveled. So it's not about the time, but the number of moves. And yeah, that's it, basically. It's not a complicated game. I'll leave the gameplay of the final version rolling in the background and let me have a few words. I must apologize for being absent this year. I had a lot of stuff going on lately. I moved twice, I took part in some renovation, I learned some stuff to get a new job, which I absolutely nailed, and I created a new game. Probably my biggest one, in like 2 to 3 weeks. But no spoilers, I'll come with more information soon. Thanks for holding on, I'll try to neglect YouTube as less as possible. Next time I'll show you my favorite one of the 4 games, the space shooter. Then comes the even more fun stuff. Until then, keep on creating guys, stay safe and take care.